For sale, a first-floor apartment in a lovely neighborhood at Milicia, which is ideal for walking and at the same time offers easy access to all the main highways. Apartment is front and corner, 126 square meters. And features 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, 1 W.C. living room, dining room with energy fireplace and kitchen. It has a large balcony on the front which runs along the side of the kitchen. The kitchen has a door and window. There are also balconies on the side of the apartment. It belongs to an apartment building with a total of 9 properties. A comfortable pilates space distinct from the parking spaces is available for play. The apartment has 2 parking spaces and a storage room of 15 square meters. With fitted wardrobe on one side. The communal garden at the back is ideal for play and relaxation.